What's going on, everyone? So today I'm back at the Lego garage door, and I'm finally making a how-to video after it's been a while. But if you hear that background noise, that's because the fan is running. Okay, so I'll show you how to hook it up, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to use actually this is the for the part that connects to the door, but so that I don't get confused again, maybe I'll write door with an arrow on it, but I can't do that because I don't have a marker or any writing material, and I'm still isolating because I have COVID. Okay, so we would have to use this end. We use the tape to wrap it around like that. We wrap it around the piece of coil, and then we would have to put a support, which I'm using the book to support it. First, let's hook it up onto the wall. Let's tape it onto the wall. Okay, there we go. I'm going to tape it up right here. Then I'm going to put a big piece of tape. Hold on. I guess I'll have to get a new piece of tape. Actually, I'll put the adjustments on later, but for now, let's hook it up to the door. Let's open the door. This door is pretty unbalanced, so that's why I'm putting on the springs. The panels broke off. Have to open up the door to connect the springs to the door. I want it to open right about there. And let's use this piece of tape to connect it to the door. I'm going to connect it to the top panel of the door. Hold on a sec. There we go. Okay, I'm going to connect it to the top panel of the door. Then I'll make the adjustments for the spring, so with that you'll need a big piece of tape. I'll get the tape dispenser and I'll take out a really long piece of tape. It has to be really long because if it is short, it's not gonna work. I think maybe this long should be good enough. And I'll put it on. I'm going to put it on 8 coils away. But this might be hard, so I'm going to pause the video while I do this. Well, before I do adjustments, I do want to let you know that I would like to bookmark it so I know where I want to put the adjustment. I want it to be 8 pieces of coil. Okay, so I made the adjustments. So how I did that was I bookmark where I want to put it. Then I put this tape around it, and then I stuck it to the wall. And if you want to adjust it, like if you'd need a longer piece of tape in order to adjust it, you can bookmark over here and then put a tape around there and stick it to the wall, and then it would be stronger. But he used 8 pieces of coil instead of 7 because 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 7 was a bit too much, so I thought 8 was good. With the 7 pieces of coil, I thought it was a bit overbalanced because it was not sealed very well. Over here it's pretty good, so I think I would tape it over here so that it doesn't move, so that the springs don't move the entire thing, it only can move the door. Okay, I'll use this tape to stop the Lego thing from moving except for the door. Oh, I accidentally moved it. I think over here is good, but I'll test it first. Yeah, perfect. So I'm going to put tape on it. I want to make it even, so I'll put the phone down for a second. Okay. Okay, so I think now I'm all set with my springs creation. So let's give it a test. Perfectly balanced. I don't think so because the cable gets some slack when I put it up. 2 panels left, it gets some slack over here, so I think I'm gonna move it farther away. I think over here should be good. And it wants to fly up on its own whenever you push it up. Whenever you push it up, it wants to fly up for you. That's what it did the first time I tested it when I moved it back. Okay, the seal is pretty good, so I think I'm all set. So there, that's the creation of the springs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, enable notifications, and leave a comment down below. And if you want to make your own springs on your Lego garage door or whatever toy garage door you have, watch this video and I'll show you how. And have a great day.